That is cool. That might be one of the better rookies out of 2016, honestly. Welcome back, card fans, to Throwback Thursday. Today we've got 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020. Of various styles.
Well,
mostly all hangers / jumbos. I don't know. They change like what they do. Do we want to go newest to oldest?
Yep. Easy.
You want to go first?
Yeah. Go first.
I definitely want to open this one, the 2016 Optic. Also, like, just Aaron Rodgers dominated the cover all these years, but this time he also shared it with Trubisky. Like, I don't know what happened there.
Neither does Trubisky.
The counter for this one, and the goal, is to get one of every quarterback that we would want.
All right, so 2020.
Herbert.
Yeah.
Tua.
It's those, yeah.
Yeah. Burrow.
Yeah.
So you got a lot of work to do in this one.
Okay. I got Allen Robinson. Got Adrian Peterson.
Adrian Peterson.
Tyler Higbee. Golden Tate.
Golden Tate in the background going fucking crazy.
5, 6, 4, 3. Yeah, right.
So no rookies in that first part?
Nah. Hey, KJ Hamler. Press proof. Cam Akers. Patrick Queen. Two
there's
hearts
still more.
that beat
Okay.
as one. Kyle Duggar. Chase Claypool. Teej. Toila. Wow. Well,
we tried.
I could have tried harder. I gotta be honest.
Ofer on that one.
All right.
2019. We're talking. Is there anyone? There's one. Oh, Kyler.
Right.
Kyler was the number 1 overall pick.
Cleveland Farrell.
Oh, there's a patch in here.
Thank God.
2019 has some nice rookies, but only one quarterback, I believe. All right. Carson, Robert Quinn, Ozzie Newsome throwback? That's cool. Carson Wentz, Terrell Suggs,
Bonesaw University.
super legend, Harrison Smith, Reggie Ragland, Kyle Van Noy, Greg Olson,
This is getting good already.
Malcolm Jenkins, Dak, Russ. There, we're using up all our quarterbacks. Kenny Stills,
Uzama.
Vinatieri, super legend. Like Evans, boring legend. Blaze Campbell, Corey Davis.
Oh boy.
Box is falling over. Tim Brown,
Legend.
Todd Gurley,
Rams mode.
Justin Tucker.
Kenyon Drake.
There we go. That's why I didn't flip him over. C.J. Mosley, Kittle, A-Rob, Jimmy G.
Oh! Second year.
Donruss, Threads, Baker, Red Foil.
That card is mostly Panthers colors. That's what's funny about it.
I'm happy with it.
Of course.
Clay Matthews.
Gus Edwards.
Wow.
Talk about a legend.
Josh Rosen.
Second year. Will Greer.
Wow.
No idea he was on the Panthers. Oh, don't tell me. Okay, so
That's cool.
what a dream about him.
Nicole Hardman. Rookies.
Eat your check out.
Are these all going to be like backwards from here? What happened?
Hey, Mr. Walkway?
Let's do this.
Mr. Walk down the walkway. Fuck you.
AP Elite Series. That's cool. Joe Mixon and Dominators. JH. I don't think any of those are numbered or anything. All right, now we can just go back to this. Jarrett Stidham. Canvas.
Well, he did make it to the NFL.
Yeah. Bengals.
Field.
Okay. Tony Gonzalez inducted.
Hey,
Patrick Mahomes highlights. That's a cool card. David Montgomery, White Hot Rookies. Lonnie Johnson. Armstead. Damian Harris, White Hot Rookies. This
Scarlett
guy.
Johansson.
Kid Reporter, not even
Alright.
a rookie.
2018. So this is Baker.
Baker, Allen,
Mahomes?
Lamar. No, Mahomes is 17 with Watson. Or 16? 17. But yeah, 18's, we got a chance.
Rosen.
Yeah, Rosen and Darnold are also in here.
Josh Allen.
Yeah. Allen and Lamar are the two, like, that we would want from this. Rosen, Baker, and Darnold are the other three.
Darnold. That's why. All right. Well, we got Jacoby Brissett right on the front.
Wow. True legend.
Already on the Colts at this point. Impossible to read these.
Greg Olson.
Jonathan Stewart, Case Keenum, Garoppolo, Hilton,
He's all shiny?
David Johnson, yep. Devontae, Le'Veon Bell, J.J. Watt, Alex Smith, Melvin Gordon, McCaffrey, Manning, Sean Lee. Alright, some cool looking cards. Marvin Jones, Doug Baldwin. This is 9th year of his career. Jordan Wilkins, Denzel Ward rookie.
That's sweet.
Alex McGough.
Okay. It is
rookie quarterback.
It is a rookie quarterback. We're heading
Justin
in the right direction.
Reed, Javon Wims, Austin Proyle.
Prohl.
DJ Moore. That's a sick card.
Yeah.
David Johnson covering ground. David Johnson and Larry Fitzgerald 1-2 punch. Gronk. Josh Gordon.
Oh, nice.
2018 Josh Gordon. Carson Wentz, Clay Matthews, Deshaun Jackson.
Hold him up a little bit.
Sorry.
There you go.
Jared Goff. Bilal Powell. There's a guy.
Nice.
Alright.
Baldwin, Ramsey.
Brady.
That's cool.
Tyrod Taylor, Browns.
Nice.
Khalil Mack. Devontae Adams, Mike Evans, AJ McCarron, Drew Brees. Wow.
Those are really cool looking cards.
Yeah, they are actually. One of my favorite football designs.
All right. Now this is our big chance.
17. Mahomes.
Mahomes.
Myles Garrett.
Some good stuff in 2017. 2017 product is like hard to come by at any sort of
Jared Goff.
reasonable
Rookie.
price. Okay. All right. Let's calm down.
Just saying. I'm sitting it.
Johnny Unitas, rookie. Joe Namath. All right. So we're wasting all of our quarterback polls. Wentz, Miller, Edelman, Floyd, Sturchett, Emmanuel Sanders, Eli Rogers, Jordy, David Johnson,
Welcome to Oakland, DJ.
Jamie Collins, Browns,
Easy legend.
Will
Snead. Holy shit.
Eric Reed, played for the
Sure.
Todd Gurley.
I find.
Oh, that's cool. Press proof Witten color match. Sam Bradford.
Vikings.
Atlanta Ryan. Garrett. Show me Myles Garrett.
It's not.
Jabril
Peppers. Never wore 27 in any game of his career, but okay.
Julio?
Yep.
Julio Dominators. That's cool. Juju rated rookie. Super Bowl champion.
It's not bad. Another Jabril.
Okay.
The Jabril Hot Pack.
Come on. No, not right here. Chris Godwin.
Yeah, that's cool though.
That's a cool one. We are.
What is this?
We've not come close to accomplishing our goal. So now we're in 2016, which is.
This doesn't even say a year on it. There it does. Okay. Cut me. You did not cut this. Thank you.
2016. I think 2016 was the Jared Goff, Carson Wentz year. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, I think you're right about that.
So were there any good quarterbacks in that draft?
Well, that's the question.
Big chunk of cards. That Absolute box was really cool.
Yeah.
Like, all those cards were shiny.
Yeah.
And I was not expecting that at all.
I have a patch.
Okay, alright. And it's not Baker.
Just gonna go ahead and move it to the back.
Patch on the back.
Eric Dickerson, Donruss. Hopkins, Peterson, Mack, Curly, Sproles, Gostkowski, Sheldon
Rankins rookie
Rankins,
is nice.
Hunter
Hunter
Henry rookie, Noah Spence rookie.
These all just have different color borders.
Yeah, they're weird. Washington. Alright. Base card. Base card. Base card. Rob Gronkowski. Eddie Royal. What a pull. Tyler Lockett. Sean Lee. Theodore Bridge over troubled water. Eric Berry. Eric Weddle. Eric Decker. 3 Erics in a row.
Yeah,
Carlos Hyde. Jeremy Macklin.
Not creative with the separating of cards.
Alright, I guess I'll just flip them. Gerald McCoy, Lamar Miller, John Brown, Ndamukong Suh, Sean McCoy, Keenan, Hayden.
Nice.
Fuck JJ. Travis Benjamin. That's a name.
Yeah.
Duke.
Love that.
VJ. Brett Favre. This is the hit.
Yeah.
Let's pull the card off the. Well, let's. Do you want to reveal the front of it?
Yeah. The back of Joe Montana.
Joey Bosa.
This might be Bosa rookie.
Rookie
Rookie
Phenom.
Phenoms.
Not numbered.
That is cool. That might be one of the better rookies out of 2016, honestly.
That's nice.
Okay. All right. I'll take that. Now we got Optic. 12 cards. Hanger exclusive, find special purple parallels and rookies and rated rookies. I can't think of any quarterbacks in 2016 other than like the 2 guys that went at the top.
Yeah. Can't think of who would be like a late round sleeper.
Yeah. Bradford. Tavon Austin.
Do we really need Tavon Austin and Miles Austin? Like what?
Kendall Fuller Silver.
Sure.
And Jeremy Macklin Silver.
Return of the Macklin.
Xavier Howard
Sure.
is actually a good
He's
player.
great.
Vernon Hargraves. Will Fuller, purple rated rookie, is a card that would have been really cool like 2 years ago. Trevor Davis. Sure. A lot of rookies in this though. Noah Spence. Kevin Dodd.
I can't remember that name. Ricardo Lewis.
Wow.
Definitely remember that name.
Pharaoh Cooper.
Well,
And this.
there you have it, folks.
That is why we typically buy just a full hobby box of something for throwback videos instead of one random pack of a bunch of different stuff.
Yep. Gonna look up that Bosa though.
Bosa's cool. This will be a funny card to die in a binder of mine of Browns cards.
Ricardo Lewis.
I don't think this card will be like worth much of anything, but this is pretty cool. Mahomes 19, but it's like the 2018 flashback. I think it's cool. But yeah, leave a like, drop a sub if you ain't. Leave a comment down below. What do you think of all these random things that we opened from a variety of years?